How to determine the equation of a straight line? Okay, we knew that the equation of the straight line is y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. Okay, so understand that. Okay, first thing first, we need to find the value of gradient. Note that, okay, we have learned gradient m is equal to y2 minus y1 over by x2 minus x1. Please study, please do a revision about gradient. Determine a point which the straight line passes through or a point which lies on the straight line. Okay. Number 3, okay, after you find the gradient, substitute m and x, y coordinate in order to find c. Okay, for number 2, determine a point. Okay, from the graph, for any straight line, you can find any point. Okay, name the coordinate. So from this one, okay, we identify what is x and what is y. So we can substitute into x here and y here. And this m is from the formula, which is y2 minus y1 over yx2 minus x1. And from that, okay, we can find c. Okay, that is the step. Okay, now let's see example 11. Determine the equation of the straight line with a gradient of 1 over 2 passes through point 6 and 8. Okay, for this example, it is given already gradient equals 1 over 2. So we don't need to calculate, okay, by using the formula. Okay, note that this m is equal to 1 over 2. So this is x and y. So what we need to do here is, okay, it say that at number 3, substitute the gradient and the coordinate into the equation. We knew that y equals to mx plus c. So our y here is 8. Okay, equal to m is 1 over 2. This one. X is 6. Okay, this one plus c. Simplify 2 and 6, it become 3. So finally our c here is 5, because I eliminate 3, so 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So my c is 5. So since, okay, it say that from here, okay, y equals to mx plus c, and m is 1 over 2, 1 over 2x plus c, c is 5. I'm going to substitute 5. So finally, okay, question asks us to determine the equation. So our equation here is y equals to 1 over 2x plus 5. Okay, let's compare. Okay, it is equal. Okay, so class, I want you to understand the example version. Okay, this one. See the explanation given from the solution, okay, from your textbook. And for this exercise, okay, you're going to proceed with mind test 9.1e. Okay, it is given already the gradient. You don't need to calculate by using the formula. And given a point, this point passes through a straight line. Kalau cikgu nak lukis gambar, mungkin this is y axis, this is x axis, and let's say this is my straight line. Okay, it is intercept here at C. So gradient a positive number sebab dia ke arah kanan, or maybe this is the point P, 3, 7. Okay, please take note that, okay, your homework for today is mind test 9.1E. Okay, next video, okay, for the next class, okay, we are going to learn on how to determine the equation passes through 2 points. Okay, just now we learned in 1 point and 1 gradient. Okay, for the next class, okay, we are going to determine the equation given 2 point. Given 2 point meaning that, or maybe you have P or Q. So P, your coordinate is x1, y1, while Q is x2, y2.